Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the Grownsy Postpartum Mom and Baby Essential Kits, the ultimate postpartum recovery solution for both mom and baby. This comprehensive kit includes a 6-piece set for moms, featuring a PERI bottle with a 75 degrees angled spout for easy cleaning, herbal cooling spray and liners for soothing relief, reusable hot and cold packs, disposable underwear, non-slip socks, and a convenient canvas bag. For the little ones, the 5-piece baby kit offers an adorable outfit, cap, mittens, bibs, and socks, ensuring comfort and convenience for new families. The herbal cooling spray and liners are crafted from safe ingredients, providing relief without breastfeeding risks, while the highly stretchable disposable underwear allows for maximum comfort and support during recovery. The reusable hot and cold packs offer versatile relief, whether you need to soothe discomfort or aid in C-section recovery. This kit makes for the perfect gift, bringing a smile to any new mom's face and helping her embark on her postpartum journey with confidence. So, whether you're preparing for your own recovery or looking for a thoughtful gift, the Grownsy Postpartum Essential Recovery Care Kit has you covered. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.